Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fit Honda Jazz wiper blades. First, ensure your car is safely parked and the ignition is off. Lift the wiper arm gently away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Have a soft cloth ready to protect your windshield during the process. Let's get started with the removal. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade downwards or outwards, depending on the connector type. It should detach with a gentle pull. Once removed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield or place the cloth under it for protection. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, just like you want reliable wiper blades, you want reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old blade off, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check its attachment. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Now, hop into your Honda Jazz, turn on the ignition, and activate your wipers. Observe their movement. They should glide smoothly, clearing water without streaks or chattering. If you notice any issues, recheck the installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.